Michael, Michael's here. Listen, this is my Michael's creepy MJ over there. There's a creepy MJ there. Listen, you go to creepymj.com. You can get this shirt there. You can listen shirt. Hey, listen shirt. But listen, come here. This is not acceptable. All of this dirt there. See all of that dirt? That's not acceptable. So first thing you have to do is listen. You have to get all the dirt out of the brush there because you could scratch this beautiful car there. You don't want to scratch it. And then you put it in there. You put it in there. You take this, you put it in there. Michael put it in there right now. My glove's getting all wet. This is too expensive. This is like $7,000. Yeah, Michael's gonna switch gloves. He's not used to wearing this glove. Let's see if it still works. It still works. You put it in there. You don't even need the brush now. You do both at the same time there. Put it on there. Gotta be really careful though. You wanna look how clean it getting now. You don't ever want to use this side there. You probably scratch something. Use this side, scratch it. There we go. Wait, rinse it there. Put it on there. Oh wait, it's supposed to use this thing. Listen, you have to go from the top and work your way down there. Oh, it's all better. It's all clean now. All done. That's it. That's where my friend lives. He sits in there all the time there. But if he goes to the store, he's always in there. You guys know who this is? Do you guys remember who this is? Hey, this is Grimace there. I want him. I got him inside of Adult Happy Meal McDonald's. Got millions of views there. Michael's a made stick right there. And there's a baby. Oh no. The baby's stuck in there. Michael, get it. Thank you. There was the Grimace there. Quiet, baby. Quiet, baby. Listen, I need you guys to help me name him right here. So we have to come back to that there. So you guys can figure out a name for him. I don't name him. He's my best friend. This is my new feature there. Listen, all the people in the HOA and people that were all around there, they don't like Michael. They don't like the way Michael's truck looks there. So Michael put something new on there. His new accessory. Look at there. Her hair's already wet. Put the shampoo on there. Then put it on there. Look at there. Come here. That's the massage there. Make sure you get all of the hair there. So it's nice and clean there. I'm gonna make it. There. Okay, listen. We have to wash the hair now. Oh, my neighbors are looking at me already. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at there. Listen, come here. Come here. Listen, to shift the Shimon it. All better. Gotta be careful there. Unacceptable. Michael has to wash his whole side now because there's fungus growing on there. I have to figure out what I'm going to do with her yet there. What's Michael going to do? Leave in the comments below what Michael has to do with this. Right there. Maybe what hairstyle should be. How should I paint the face? How should I put the lipstick on there? Where should I put it? Oh yeah, the baby. That's her baby. And then this is my friend there. Yeah. This is his over there. He's all perfect there. It's kind of weird. He looks a little bit like that Brandon Styles guy. It's weird. It's so weird. Anyways, I love you guys. Tell me what you need to look, what his name is there. I want to see so many people have different names for that. I love you. I hope you enjoy watching the Creepy MJ Mobile. Bye.